Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talk 2022 YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about one of the trending cryptocurrency token, that is a Polka Breeze. So which have the potentials to give you more than 100x time returns in future. Yes, so we'll describe each and every details, total circulating supply, how you can purchase this particular cryptocurrency and what would be the target in upcoming days, and also we'll discuss about their backbone and what's their plans and the roadmap. But before that, if you are new in our YouTube channel, subscribe our channel and you can also join our Telegram channel. So daily basis we provide lots of information related to cryptocurrency market which will help you to earn more profit from this market. But before investing in cryptocurrency, always take your own decisions and then accordingly invest. Okay, so let's quickly watch what's going on in that current market situations. So this is my Verzirex wallet. So you can see, so whatever dumping happened, so Bitcoin almost it was go down close to $41,000 if I am talking about INR. So it's a close to 33 lakhs rupees in INR. So after that, I mean since yesterday morning, cryptocurrency market has started pumping, and you know Shiba Inu, Cardano, Matic, Koti, WRX, then Polkadot and HBAR, then Tron, all the coins has given more than 10 to 15% return. So even Luna has been given more than 20% return, so what we had 2 days back. So overall crypto market is actually transforming in positive directions. Yes, so market is bullish, so very soon so we can see BTC again trading near $48,000, then it can trade for 50,000, and then in upcoming 1 to 2 months we can see it can break all-time high. So now let's talk about our main topic, that is Polka Breeze. So what is Polka Breeze? So Polka Breeze, so it's a kind of a decentralized kind of a swapping applications on that Polkadot system or blockchain. So if you remember the earlier video, or already you might be know Ethereum. So Ethereum is a different blockchain, right? So similarly we have a Binance, different blockchain. So now in Ethereum blockchain, so whatever the cryptocurrency has been launched, so apart from the ICO, that is the initial coin offering, so if you want to purchase any particular cryptocurrency before listing any exchange, so you have to use kind of a swap applications. So now Ethereum swap applications, what is the name? So Ethereum swap applications name is Uniswap. So Uniswap, the current price is in INR more than 2000 rupees. Now if you are talking about in USDT, so it's a close to $18 USDT. So now, so you can understand Ethereum, the corresponding swapping applications is Uniswap. Now similarly Binance, we have a Pancake Swap. So in numbers of time I had mentions like if you want to purchase any token before listing any of the exchange, so either you can apply for the ICO, IDO, or you can purchase through any swapping system. So now what is the future of this Polka Breeze? So since Polka Breeze is a similar kind of applications like Uniswap, and as I mentioned, that is a Pancake Swap. So now Polka Breeze, this is a decentralized swapping applications which is built on the top of dot blockchain, right? So that is means in future whatever the new token will be connected with the dot blockchain, so initial stage, so you can purchase or swap that any token with the help of this Polka Breeze. So in that case what you need, so normally in Pancake Swap, so we need either Binance or USDT, and even different cryptocurrency you can swap it. So let's say the current price of Dogecoin is $0.2. So now if you want to swap with a 1 USDT, so now if you swap in 1 USDT, so you will be getting a 5 Dogecoin, right? So that is the fundamentally how it's work any swapping system. So Polkabridge is a similar kind of that dApp applications. So now this is a completely decentralized exchange, and this is building on the top of the dot ecosystem, or we can say dot blockchain. So now you can understand PancakeSwap, the current price is more than $15, so it's near about 1400 plus, and now also that Uniswap price is more than $18. So now the current price of Polkabridge, it's a very low. If you see in INR, so it's a close to 37 to 38 rupees, and now in dollar it's just a $0.50. So you can understand just $0.50. So if you multiply with a 40x time, so then it would be become a $20. So that is means, so why I said like a 40x or 100x times, because whatever the Uniswap current value or PancakeSwap current value, so similarly if you compare with their current price, so definitely PBR token, nothing but a Polkabridge, the short form is PBR. So this token value is very less. So this is the time if you can purchase and you can hold for 6 months, 8 months, when Polkadot ecosystem will launch more token, and that time it will be boom. Now, so what is their roadmap and what is the functionality, others functionality of this Polkabridge? So now in PancakeSwap you can do the staking, you can do the farming, and also you can use in a others different way. Like also Shiba Inu recently launched Shiba Swap, so already you know it. So it's a kind of a similar on the top of the Polkadot ecosystem. Now this is a completely decentralized, secure, high performance and fully auditable. And now in this case, so there is diagram. So let's say if you done 2 transactions and now there is a farmers, so 90% will be go to the farmers who is farming and who is adding the liquidity, and 10% will be burned. So this is how actually that system will works. So that is the dApp applications. And now also they mentions total supply of this particular cryptocurrency is 100 million. So in I mean we can say it's a 10 crore. Okay, 100 million is nothing but a 10 crore. So now only they are offering IDO. So IDO means initial DEX offer. So before launching any new currency on the decentralized exchange, so they will offer to the public, so that is called IDO. So that is slightly different from ICO. So now they offered already 20% through IDO, so you can apply and you can get it, and rest of the 80% you can see 20% they reserve for the marketing, 20% for their own development team, 10% for initial liquidity provide to the ecosystem, and 30% will be reserved to that ecosystem. So now there is a 2 things. So either you can purchase via applying IDO, so there is a button, so if you click it, so it will be redirected, and so huge cost is needed for IDO. So you cannot actually apply for a $50. So there is some amount is there, let's say $500. So you have to purchase that whole cryptocurrency, whatever 1000 cryptocurrency for this PBR. So let's say $500. So you have to purchase 1000 at a time. But if you want to purchase through Ethereum contact, so you can copy that Ethereum contact address, nothing but a smart contact address, and also this is a Matic. So that time you have to go to the Uniswap. Okay, so there is a button in the coin market. So if you click that one, so this would be redirect to Uniswap. Now you have to connect in your trust wallet. It could be MetaMask or it could be any other trusted wallet. By Ethereum you will be exchange that PBR token, or by might be USDT you will be exchange that PBR token. So whatever I am telling you the process how you can purchase the PBR token from the Uniswap, so same functionality you will be seeing in the Polkabridge, right? So now they have done the roadmap, so finally it would be fully functionally work from 2022 first quarter. So definitely within 6 months, so it will give a huge benefit. And one interesting fact, right? So let's take an example for Polkadot. So Polkadot, this ecosystem has a similar coin supplying almost 100 million coin, so nothing but a 10 crore coin. So now if you saw the Polkadot price, so I mean it was actually 2020 end, I mean December. So I mean even less than 10 months back it was $4 to $5 it was trading. So now you can understand current price of DOT is close to $38. And now in that DOT ecosystem, so they are launching that swapping mechanism and they are doing lots of development. So in future lots of coin will be listed in that ecosystem. So that time completely Polka bridge will be required for swapping that token, means in order to purchasing the token by either swapping with the DOT token or any other token. So definitely it has a bright future, so nothing but it can give you huge returns in future. So as I mentioned, so it has a similar coin supply what we have DOT, that ecosystem, and Polka bridges. So now also they will do the burn in future, and now its current price is $0.5 and Polkadot current price is close to $40. So definitely in upcoming days Polkadot will reach more than $100, so within 1 year. So now if a bridge will reach to $25 to $30, so you can understand more than it's a 60 to 70x time returns, and it is better. So based on the background details for this cryptocurrency, if you invest in the early days either ICO through IDO or any swapping system, so it can give you the better returns. So like whenever market dump, so if you purchase any token, so definitely it will give a huge return. But yes, so you have to choose the potential tokens. So how you will choose the potential token? Based on their roadmaps, what's current development is going on, and what's the craze, how the community is strong. So like Polkadot, ShibaSwap, so everything's whatever we have explained so far now. Still, if you have any doubt, just comments below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any things, do let us know. Bye.